this is Tim from Your Set Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your BIOS menu on your PC. And this is easy. We're going to need a little USB flash drive just like this and plug it into your computer. And then going down to File Explorer. And we want to open this up. Now this might be a little bit difficult because if we have a USB device that is just a little bit too large, if it's over 32 gigabyte, we won't be able to directly format it to FAT32, which is required for the update file. So what we want to do is go to this PC and locate our USB drive. So I can see mine is the USB D drive, and I can't really see what it is right now, but I'll go to it. Here it is, volume F. So this one's 28 gigabytes. So if it's under 32, we could just go to it, right click on it, go to properties, not properties, go to format, and we should be able to just directly format this. So here it is, and we can switch it from the file system to FAT32, and that's the format we need, and this will delete everything from it. Now if the file system is too big, if we go to this one for example, we will not get FAT32 as a format. So what we can do, if it is too large, like one of these little USB devices, we can go to search and go to disk and create and format hard disk partitions and open this up. And then under this screen, locate your little USB drive. So I got one here, disk 3. So I have two of them. I have a split one. So I'm just going to shrink the volume. We can shrink the volume. And then this will allow us to use some space on it, and we can just enter the amount to shrink. So just shrink it maybe by maybe like 100 megabytes or a gigabyte or something like that, just enough to get the system file update on it. Now I'm just going to delete everything, and I'm going to delete the entire volume. So this will delete both of them. And then I should be able to just merge them if I delete the left half and the right half. Okay, good. And then I'm going to allocate some space by going to this option right here, new simple volume, go to next. And now here's the key. If we have something too large, we want to type in 30,000. So if it's 57 gigabytes, we want to bring this to what it is, 30,000. So let's zoom in here. So 30,000. So that's one more zero. Okay, that's fine. Sign a letter. And then we have the option to switch to FAT32. Very important. Go to next and finish. Now I'm just going to leave it like this. I'll fix it later on. You can see I'm going to have, half my drive will have nothing on it now. So what I want to do is just leave it like this, and I'll do this later after I update my system. Then go down to search and go to system information. Right here, open this up, and we're going to go to the baseboard manufacturer. This is Gigabyte, so that's what I know. I can go to that website, and then here's my baseboard product information. So I want to type in Gigabyte Technologies B450M DS3H into YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to drag that to the side, open up a web browser, go to Google, and type in that baseboard product, B450M DS3H BIOS update. Okay, then this is the first link right here. Then we can go here, and you can see the audio drivers. Skip that, go down to BIOS, and go up to the top. Here's the most current one. I'm going to download this. Download it. And then we can open this up. Under here, let's go to open. Alright, and then we can see it in here. Let's open this up. And here's the little system file. Oh, clicked on it. I'm just going to cut it. And then go to my USB drive. So here it is. Oh, and I have to format the disk. I thought I did that already. So here's FAT32. start it. All right, now it should show up under this PC, and we should be able to copy and drag things in there. So format is complete. Here it is. Let's paste it in here. Should go quick. And it's going really slow for some reason. Holy cow. It's only like 11 megabyte. Okay, so once we have it in here, now we can go to the BIOS menu. Go to Start. Go to Settings. Drag this over here. Go down to Windows Update. Advanced Options. Recovery. Advanced Startup, Restart Now. And make sure you save anything. And now we're going to launch this into the BIOS menu. And this way is just a little bit simpler. Only takes 2.5 minutes to get there. And then you don't have to guess which F key. Should be delete or F2 to get into the BIOS menu when you restart your computer. So delete or F2 I think is usually the button. You can look and just confirm right here. It'll say BIOS setup. Press the delete key. Or it will be the F2 key, I believe. So this is going to restart to a blue screen, and then we don't have to guess. And sometimes you don't have a long time to figure out what button you have to press. So this one says BIOS setup delete right there at the bottom. So don't hit a key if you're doing it the way I just showed you. Just let it load. It says please wait right now. That's fine. And then it's going to bring me to a blue screen after it actually loads. I don't know why it's going so slow right now. It says please wait. And then once we get to this blue screen, we can go to troubleshoot. So here it is. It's loading. Troubleshoot. Advanced options. UEFI firmware settings. Restart. Now I'll go directly to the BIOS menu. And we're going to be looking for something called flash. Q flash. Flash something, flash this, flash that. And it should be called that on maybe 4 or 5 different motherboards. So something similar to that, and then we should be able to update it directly from one of our USB devices. So if it's not formatted to FAT32, it's not going to be recognized. So make sure it's formatted correctly and you have the file on there. Now I know I have to go to MIT, and here's Q flash for me. And go to update file or update BIOS. Locate your drive. So you might have something in here. So if you have multiple drives, you can find it under here. I'm going to select my PNY. Here's the B450MD S23H whatever. And now it's verifying the update. And once it verifies the update, it's going to start updating it actually on my motherboard. So you can press start to complete this process. And I will be updated to 2025 now for my BIOS. So now if you're plugging in a new CPU, it should detect it. And then if you do have a newer graphics card, you have to change the PCI slot configuration to the newest generation. Otherwise, it'll probably still be a black screen for you. So you do that under the PCI slot configuration under your BIOS menu. So I can't show you now because I'm updating my BIOS, but that's very important. Otherwise, it'll just be a black screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.